I created this look, this gele style with 3 yards Ankara material. So what I did was I folded it into two like this. The 3 yards, I folded it into two parts like this. And after folding it into two like this, then I place it on my head. I just make like two pleats. It's not necessary anyways, but I just make like two pleats on my head. Then I didn't make the division to be equal. One part is very long and the other is shorter than the other. I'll be showing you now so that you can see how short and how long it is. So when I cross it at the back like this, what did I do again? I made sure I adjust it very well. Then I held the longer part, arranged it well before I twist it. Yes, it's a twist gele. Is I just had a touch of beauty to hit at the top, so I twisted it like this. So when I reach this part that's going to be meeting the smaller part, I twisted the smaller part as well like this, holding the longer part with my chain. Yeah, so I picked both up here at the side and try to secure the two by knotting. Okay, so that is what I'm doing there, knotting the two. So you can see the longer part is down, so it's too long. I wouldn't want to leave it like that, so I twisted it till the end and find a way to secure it at the back. So after the securing of the longer part, I'm now left with the leftover of the shorter part. So I stretch it out, then I spread it towards the back. Okay, I stretch it out, spread it towards the back like this, then I stretch it sideways. Okay, I stretch it sideways, then I look for a way to secure it by using my office pin to secure it there. Then while I'm doing that, I'm still trying to adjust it. So that's my office pin which I'm using to secure it down. So guys, this head wrap is a quick one. If you have a 3 yard Ankara material, you can try it out. If you don't have up to that too, you can still try it out, just that it might not be as bold as this. Okay, so I continue to the other part. I'm going to repeat the same process, stretch it sideways, fold into two like that. Then the excess, I'll find a way to secure it here at the back here. Then I'll go to the front again to adjust all the adjustables. It is very necessary to do that. I'm trying to adjust it so it's gonna look nice on me. Okay guys, so that is how I use this almighty 3 yards Ankara material to create something nice for myself. So if you have any, pick it up and try this out. I'll see you in my next video. Always watch and like.